Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Today we're gonna explain lesson 4.3 for grade 6, distance on the coordinate plane. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to use absolute value to find distance on a coordinate plane. Here we start. Now, let me show you just two examples. Find the coordinates of Liz's house and the school. This house, and this the school. Now, to find Liz's house coordinates, we start from 0. Here we went left 4 steps or 4 units, so the x is -4, and down 3 units, so the y coordinate is -3. Now the school, we go left, so it's negative, the x is negative, here -4, and we go up 2 units. This means the y coordinate is positive. Now the absolute value of the y coordinates tell you that the distance between each point and the x-axis. And the distance here, as you can see, these. Now I want to find the distance between school and Liz's house or lighthouse. Because we have the same x, so we just compare the y's. So here the y coordinate is positive, and here y coordinate is negative. So I need to add the absolute value because he asked me about to find the distance, and as you know, the distance is positive, so I add the absolute value of the y coordinates. So 3, or absolute value of 3 plus absolute value of 2. Here I mean absolute value of -3, which is 3 here. And because they divide the distance between the school and Li's house into 2 parts. First part from the school to x-axis, and the second part from the school to from the house to the x-axis. So as you know, the distance is positive, so 3 plus 2 equals 5. Or I can say I add the absolute value of the y coordinates. Now in this case, let me show you 2 or 3 examples. Find the distance between each pair of points. Here -5, 2, and -5, 6. Because they have the same x coordinates, so I add the absolute value of y coordinates. Here, the absolute value of 2 plus the absolute value of 6, because the y coordinate show us the distance from the x-axis. So this up to the x-axis, and this up to the x-axis. So both are up of the x-axis. So here in this case they have the same sign, so we subtract. But if they have different signs, we add. Look at this example. Number 4, the y coordinates are the same. So I look at the x coordinates. If they have different signs, then I add. You can remember add d by different. If they have different signs, d different signs, so I add. I don't add the numbers, I add the absolute value of the numbers. So here absolute value of 2 is 2, absolute value of negative 3 is 3, so 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now try to pause the video for 3 minutes and do questions 5, 6 and 7. After 3 minutes, come back to the video and see the answers. In number 4, we have the same x coordinate. So we focus on the y's or the y coordinates. If they have different sign, the rule say if they have different signs, we add the absolute value. If they have the same sign as in example number 3, look, 6 and 2, they have the same sign. So same with s. So we subtract with s. I hope it's clear for you. But before I close the video, I want of you to finish 5 and 6 and 7. Here in number 5, I add 3.3, the absolute value, which is 3.3, and the absolute value of 5.5, it will become 8.8. Now in number 6, they have the same y coordinates, so we look at the x coordinates. If they are different signs, we add. Because the x is different. So the x represents the distance from the y-axis. So this on the right and this on the left. So we need to add them to get the answer. We don't want to add them. We want to add the absolute value of them because I want to add the distances. So 1.6 plus 0.6 equals 2.2. In number 7, they have the same x coordinates, so I focus on the y coordinates. They have the same with s, same sign, so I subtract the absolute value. 7.5 minus 1.5 equals 6 units. Thank you very much. If you like the video, press like, and if you don't forget to subscribe my channel, Mr. Muad JB Math and English. Here you can see the answers.